Alright, here are the puppies. They are 5 weeks old. This is boy 1. He's got a little white on his forehead. Boy 2 is all dark except for his underbelly. And then boy 3 is our try. You like the little toy? Yes. They're getting pretty active. You can hear in the background. Mama's not happy. I took the babies. Hi. Hi, boy 1. So they'll be going home in about 3 weeks. They're doing really good. Starting their potty pad training, playing with toys, getting along real good. So we got boy 1, boy 2, and boy 3. Yes. In a week they'll be running around. I won't be able to keep them still. Hey! And they're there.